Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 CR-V Sportline. Now of course the Sportline was just another word for the Black Edition, which this car is, as you can probably tell. You've got LED headlights, LED daytime running lights and LED fog lights. You've got these brilliant 18-inch piano black alloy wheels as well, all of which are in perfect condition. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern you do get on these alloys. However, walking around to the rear, you've got front and rear parking sensors. You've then also, as you can see along the rear bumper just there, you've then also got a nice little reversing camera just there as well, just to make this thing an absolute doddle to park in a tight situation. You've got plenty of room in the tailgate area, including 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor. Into the rear now, as you can see, you've got a lever on either side, just so you are able to fold the seats down flat, like so. You've got a subwoofer in the boot as well. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back, as you can see, you've got the flat folding seat just here. You've then also, nice and easy, put the seats back up. You just lift them up and it will go back in. You've got two seating positions. As you can see, this is the more reclined position. That's the nice upright position just over there. And obviously, with it being the Sportline, you get full black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round as well, all of which are automatic. And then with this being the 2-litre self-charging hybrid, you do get the eCVT gearbox. You've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. You've got your sports, econ and EV just there as well. Moving over to the middle now, we have got dual climate control, which can be operated via the touchscreen display just there. Within this display, you've got satellite navigation, as you can see just there. We've got your various audio sources just here, as you can see just there. And we do also have your Bluetooth hands-free as well on that system. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls on the left with your volume, onboard computer control, Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. The arrows here do work between your onboard computer and your infotainment system in the middle. And your cruise control and speed limiter is on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and distance control just there. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 24,597 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this CR-V, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.